Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. Today, let us try the levels. And I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. Now let's create a Levels adjustment layer in the Layers panel. There will be a Levels Properties panel pop up. At the top of this panel, there are server presets. You can try each of them to have a taste first. Under that, there is a graphic that takes up most of the area of the panel. This graphic shows the levels of your image. Left side of the graphic shows how much blacks there is in your image. Move around the slider under that, you can adjust the dark area of your image. On the right side, everything is for whites. Moving the slider around will adjust the bright area of your image. In the middle, it's for the gray tone. Sliding around can adjust the middle tone as well. To the very left, there are 3 eyedropper icons. Each of them is for the white, gray, and black. Using each of them can help you pick and reset the white, black, and gray for your image. At the bottom of the panel is for the output levels. Similarly, the slider on the left controls blacks, and the slider on the right controls whites. Back to the level graphic, there is an RGB option. Open it, and you can see that you can choose between red, green, or blue. You'll have to use each of them if you want more precise control over the different channels of your image. For example, I want this image to have a little bit more retro tones. I can select the red channel and then adjust the gray slider and white slider in the level graphic. Make a layer mask and compare the result. The retro look that level adjustment gives the image is much better. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.